Hi, my name is Jeff Rector. I'm a working actor here in Los Angeles. You probably see me on everything from Star Trek: The Next Generation to American Horror Story Cult. Now, everybody knows the values of window tinting your automobile, but most people don't think that window tinting their home is great too. A few years ago, I moved into this townhouse, and I've got this beautiful patio out here, but it was exposed to the east side of the building, so in the morning all the heat and sunlight would come pouring in, which heated up the room, and the glare was terrible, and in the summertime it made it really hot. So I had Paul come in and install this window tinting. As you can see, it's beautiful. You can still see through it and see the patio outside, but yet it cuts down on the heat, and you can see some water beading here. It's raining outside. In a way, just putting on this window tinting in my house has actually saved me money and actually winds up paying for itself. But what's really interesting is, if you look over here at this sliding glass door, something hit the window, and I still don't know what it was, but it hit here, and it's shattered and spider webbed out here. The only reason this glass is still in place is because the window tinting is literally holding it together. Imagine all these little pieces of glass that would have just blown out and been all over the ground, which of course is dangerous for anyone to step on it. But I was out of town when it happened, and we left this whole door open for anybody just to walk into my apartment. So my advice to you, get your home window tinted today with Tint LA.